read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Natwi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to identify number 0 before writing it or before tracing it. We will count. We will try to understand what is number 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Look over here in the basket. Is there anything? No. 0 mangoes in the basket. Where's the mango market? 0 mangoes in the basket. Where's the mango market? Okay, now action. Like that, hold upon empty basket and look around as it searching. Hold upon empty basket and look around as it searching. So, now let's start how to write number 0. Start from the dot, go round, 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 round and stop. It will make number 0. 0 is sad because 0 means nothing. Is there any pencil in my hand? No, nothing. Is there any book on the table? No, nothing. Means 0 book, 0 pencil. There is nothing in my hand, nothing on the table. Today's number is number 0. 0 means nothing. So, let's start again. How to write it? Okay, let's start. Start from the dot, go round, 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 round and stop. We will join dot to dot. We will join dot to dot. It will make number 0. So, 0 is sad because 0 means nothing. No need to count anything. Basket is empty. Table is empty. My hands are empty. 0 mangoes in the basket. Oh no. 0 mangoes in the basket. Oh no. Where did all the mangoes go? Where did all the mangoes go? I looked around, but none to find. Empty basket left behind. Empty basket left behind. So, I hope so. You learned how to write number 0. And there's nothing to count. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.